Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, which evidently you are, then it means I haven't got a video ready for this week, and this is actually a filler video. It's just a quick little clean with me. I was literally just cleaning the kitchen. It's all filmed on my GoPro, so the quality isn't that great at all, but hopefully it motivates you to get some cleaning done too. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and I'll be back for a video very soon.
Pushing the past again, oh. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made-up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. It never was like this before. We've been wearing out our love